I'm Dr. Thomas Brewer, and this is your Friday Fit Tip. Today, I'm going to talk about fasting. So, why would a person fast? 3 reasons. One is to detox the body. So, there are toxins in our body. Fasting gives you an opportunity to flush those toxins out of your body. The second is a fancy word called autophagy, which means the cells that are no longer functioning that could hinder the functioning cells. Well, these cells that aren't functioning get destroyed and eliminated from the body. The third is, of course, fat loss. It's an opportunity to burn fat, and that's what most of us want. We don't want to burn lean body mass. Now, there's a couple things that happen as we go into a fast. The first is, in 4 hours, you're still burning the glucose from the meal. But somewhere in the 5 to 8 hour range, you start burning stored glycogen, which converts to glucose, and this stored glycogen is in your liver. Well, that's the beginning of something good happening. Beyond that, 14 to 18 hours, we're in this range that's known as intermittent fasting. So you're burning a lot of this stored glycogen. You've started autophagy, you've started detox, and this is something you can do every day. It's called intermittent fasting, but you can go further. If you do a 24-hour fast, just a little longer than the intermittent fasting, you really accelerate this burning of glycogen. And when you go to 2 days of fasting, which is something you would do bi-monthly. You wouldn't do this every week, you wouldn't do this every month, but a 48-hour fast, there's quite a bit of glycogen burning. And when you're burning this glycogen, you also convert over into fat burning mode, which is the reason for the fat loss. So you're actually burning fat for energy. So these are fatty acids getting converted to ketones. And that is where the word ketosis comes from. A 72-hour fast is not something you do that often, every quarter, every 3 months. But the advantage of a 72-hour fast is you get free stem cells. So instead of paying thousands of dollars for stem cells, you can start forming them yourself. The sacrifice is a longer fast. Now, while you're fasting, since you're not eating food, you're going to need to drink lots and lots of water, and you're going to need electrolytes in the water. So an inexpensive way is to use salt in your water, Celtic sea salt or Himalayan sea salt. But it's very important to stay hydrated during the fast. You go into the fast gradually, perhaps with broth as your last meal, and you come out of it the same way, eating some sort of broth. But you don't want to go into a fast eating lots of donuts and pizza and then come out of it doing the same thing. So you gradually go in and gradually come out. And that was your Friday Fit Tip.